Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be viewing this BESTEK 6-outlet surge protector and power strip, and this goes for about $20 off Amazon. And this is their upgrade model. Shows just here's the package it came in. Not much specs printed on there, but it did come with this little pamphlet that goes over the contents, how to use it, also the features. So there's 6 outlets, 8 AC outlets, and 4 USB, where one of those 4 supports Quick Charge 2.0. And if you want to read any more of this in more detail, just feel free to pause the video. One important thing that they point out is that the power rating is 1875 watts. Alright, it came with a right angle, so that's pretty handy right there. The length of the cord is about 6 feet. If you ever need to store it, there's built-in Velcro strip. And here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the main switch. And if I flip this, it exposes the USB ports. And this one over here, yes, this can charge iPads, but this can also charge devices like my Samsung Galaxy S7 here using their Quick Charge technology. Let me plug this in here. Illuminated. Show this off here, and it says fast charging. So with a quick charge, I can charge my device nearly 70% faster. And just switch over to one of the other charges here. Now it just says charging. Here's what it looks like on the back over here. There are these 6 rubberized texture pegs. And here's also the power ratings. So far, I have no complaints with this, no issues. It's very easy to use, straightforward. If I want, like outlets here for example, if I want to put something with a bigger butt, it just protrudes over here. It's not impacting any of the other outlets. Overall, I like this item a lot, and I would recommend it. Well, thanks for watching this review. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.